ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 10, text number 13 and 14. सर्वे ते निमिषैरक्षैः तम अनुद्रुत चेतसः वीक्षन्तः स्नेह संबद्धा विचलस्तत्र तत्रः। सर्वे ते निमिषैरक्षैः तम अनुद्रुतचेतसः वीक्षन्तः स्नेह संबन्धा विचलस्तत्र तत्रः। सर्वे all he sorry they animishai without twinkling of the eyes, akshay by the eye, tam anu after him, dhruta chetasah melted heart, vikshantah looking upon him, sneha sambandha bound by pure affection, Vichelu began to move. Tatra tatra, here and there. So they did. Translation and purport by Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. All their hearts were melting for him on the pot of attraction. They looked at him without blinking their eyes, and they moved hither and thither in perplexity. Please repeat. All their hearts were melting for him on the pot of attraction. They looked at him without blinking their eyes, and they moved hither and thither in perplexity. Purport. Krishna is naturally attractive for all living beings because he is the chief eternal amongst all eternals. He alone is the maintainer of the many eternals. This is stated in the Katha Upanishad. And thus, one can obtain permanent peace and prosperity by revival of one's eternal relationship with him, now forgotten under the spell of Maya, the illusory energy of the Lord. Once this relation is slightly revived, the conditioned soul at once becomes freed from the illusion of material energy and becomes mad after the association of the Lord. This association is made possible not only by personal contact with the Lord, but also by association with his name, fame, form, and quality. Srimad Bhagavatam trains the conditioned soul to this stage of perfection by submissive hearing from the pure devotee. 14. Nyarundan upagalat bashpam Outkanthya devaki sute Niratye agaranna bhadram Iti syad bandava striyah Nyarundan adgalat bashpam Outkanthya devaki sute Niratya agaranno bhadram Iti syad bandava striyah. The female relatives, whose eyes were flooded with the tears out of anxiety for Krishna, came out of the palace. They could stop their tears only with great difficulty. They feared that tears could cause misfortune at the time of departure. Purport. There were hundreds of ladies in the palace of Hastinapur. All of them were affectionate to Krishna. All of them were relatives also. When they saw that Krishna was going away from the palace for his native place, they were very anxious for him. And as usual, tears began to roll down their cheeks. They thought at that same time that tears at that moment might be a cause of misfortune for Krishna. Therefore, they wanted to check them. This was very difficult for them because the tears could not be checked. Therefore, they smeared their tears in their eyes and their hearts throbbed. Therefore, ladies who were the wives and daughters-in-laws of those who died in the battlefield never came in direct contact with Krishna, but all of them had heard of him and his great activities, and thus they thought of him, talked of him, his name, fame, etc., and became affectionate also, like those who were in direct contact. Therefore, directly or indirectly, anyone who thinks of Krishna, talks of Krishna, or worships Krishna becomes attached to him. Because Krishna is absolute, there is no difference between his name, form, quality, etc. Our intimate relation with Krishna can be confidentially revived by talking of him, hearing of remembering him. It's so done due to spiritual potency. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jai Pataka Swami Iti Namane नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वे ते निमशैरक्षैः तन्मनुद्रुतचेतसः, वीक्षन्तः स्नेहसम्बन्धः विचेलुस्तत्र तत्रः। All their hearts were melting for him on the spot of attraction. They looked at him without blinking their eyes. They moved their hither and thither in perplexity. न्यरुन्धन् उपगलत् बाष्पम् औत्कण्ठ्यात् देवकी सुते, निर्यत्य अगरान्नो भद्रम् इति स्यात् बान्धवः स्त्रियः। The female relatives, whose eyes were flooded with tears out of anxiety for Krishna, came out of the palace. They could stop their tears only with great difficulty. They feared that tears would cause misfortune at the time of departure. So Krishna is now about to leave. Naturally, that news spread all over, and all the late here is talking about the Bandhava and Striya. Bandhava means relative, and Striya. So, especially here it is being talked about relatives of Krishna. He had so many cousins. Krishna was related to almost everybody in the palace, both from Pandava side and Kaurava side, because Kauravas were dead, but their wives were there. So they all came, and couple of things here. One is that they were just looking at Krishna without blinking their eyes, like literally staring, because they wanted to absorb as much as they can see of Krishna. And then it's very interesting that they were trying to check their ears, but see, even a devotee of Krishna, even in the difficulty, he thinks of Krishna and does not want Krishna to have any problem. Like when we do this arati, and the arati plate comes to you, and then you put your hand and put on your head. So one of the purports of that is that Krishna, give us all your problems. What problem Krishna can have? He is Supreme Personality of Godhead. But still, devotee does in that mood, that, oh Krishna, please, give me all your problems, Of course, we also take his mercy, but also another meaning is that you give me all the problems. So same way, now Krishna is about to depart, and it is said that there are certain things which are inauspicious. When person is leaving, nobody should sneeze. In India, especially as you are leaving and somebody sneezes in the house, then the person will stop. He'll wait for some time and then go, or he will come back, because it's considered as inauspicious. At the same time, somebody is crying, and then you go, that's also not a good sign. So they did not want to create this problem from Krishna, but at the same time, they hardly had any control. They were so much attached to Krishna that they just couldn't stop. And here Srila Prabhupada, very interestingly, he just says that many of them had never come in contact with Krishna. Although they were relatives, but they had not come in contact, but they only heard about him. they heard about his pastime. That itself made them attracted to Krishna. Even this war is going on, not that all the ladies were worshipping somebody saying that let Krishna be killed because he's on the Pandava side. Even the Kaurava ladies, they're all. We must understand that everybody who was there at that time was part of the plan, the great plan. They're all playing their roles. And now the moment they get an opportunity to have Krishna, darshan of Krishna, they all come out, they just, at that time nobody stops them. Generally, otherwise, ladies will not come out of the palace. Queens will not come out of the palace without complete protection, covered and so on. But here, it's such an occasion that they didn't know that when Krishna will be seen again. This is going to Dwarka, which is more than 1,000 kilometers away from Hastinapur, hundreds of miles. So they all wanted to have a full darshan. And of course, when you see Krishna, you naturally get attracted. And when you have this feeling that he is going to leave now, then it becomes even worse. So difficult to control. So Bhagavatam, Prabhupada says that we can achieve the same by simply hearing, chanting and remembering. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. These three things if we can manage, then rest will automatically follow. They are the most important. And out of that, hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. So much pain has been taken by Srila Prabhupada, word by word translation, purport. So we should take advantage of that. Those who are taking advantage are very, very fortunate. I consider myself very, very fortunate because I am able to read and also narrate. So thank you very much. Let us stop here. Any question, comment is there? Hare Krishna. Thank you.